Hi guys, welcome back to Wrector. So it's been close to 2 weeks since I uploaded the last video. So if you did watch the last video, we did predict the W pattern and then the drop and then the rise. So I think both came true, but then we didn't. The second drop to the support level, but we didn't reach all the way to 43,000. But then I think we are still on support, right? So that's 2 weeks ago. So let's see what's new right now. So I'm gonna get rid of all of this drawing. Uh, Going back to the daily chart, taking a look at the weekly. So I think right now we are at a good support level. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna where is it? I'm gonna draw a horizontal line over here because if I draw a red triangle, it's gonna look big on smaller time frames. Uh, then I'm gonna look at the next support level where is around I think 36,000 odd, right? So I'm just gonna draw that as well over here. Yeah, so those are the two support level. So let's get to the immediate resistance. I think it's at yeah, let's get the 43,000 level. Let's make it red. So we do not see anything special uh, so far on the weekly chart other than the inverted falling wedge over here. So this means if this is to play out, BTC is very bearish, right? On the weekly, we might be able to drop close to 30,000 on the weekly, but I think this needs a little bit more play. Maybe it's gonna uh, bounce back on the support level, go back up to 43, 44,000, and then we'll have to look at that. But right now, we do not have to worry about BTC dropping that low. That's what I think, right? So I'm gonna get rid of these drawings. Let's go back into the 4-hour chart and see. Hey BTC, what's up? Yeah. So on the 4-hour, what do we see is we do see a if we look at patterns, we do see a inverted rising wedge over here. Yeah, yeah. So what could this do? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, most likely. So likely drop towards the lower lower trend line of the falling wedge is possible. So 37,000. Maybe. Let's go. Let's turn up our indicators and see what's up. We are trading below all sorts of we are trading above the moving average 20 and below the 50 and 200. So let's get into the indicators. We are currently oversold on the 4-hour on the Fisher. The RSI is neutral, and then we received a buy signal uh, probably 16 hours ago, but then we are still trading on the same level. So let's see, let's go back, jump into 1 hours. Let's see what's up with the 1 hour. So we do have a, I don't know, I didn't think this is a rising wedge, but then whatever. So we are sort of neutral, I mean falling below on the 1 hour as well. So let's get into the 15 minute and see what's happening immediately. So yeah, if you look at the 15 minutes as at now, it's some sort of a rising wedge. So most likely we should be able to drop somewhere around back around 38,700, 38,100, and then maybe pick up the support or not, and then move upwards, right? So how do you validate this? Let's get into BTC dump and see what do we see here. Let's turn off the indicators for now. Yeah, yeah. So if you look at the daily, I did draw this some time back. We do have the falling the inverted falling wedge. So it's presently broken right now because if it is to take place, it should have done this and it should have gone close to 50,000. But then right now, no, it's not happening. This is invalid right now. So I mean, it's close somewhere there, but then yeah. So let's get into the 4 hours and see what's up. So if you look at dumb right now, you do have a rising wedge. A rising wedge is a shorting pattern. So you also, if you look on the long run, you do have the inverted rising wedge, and then you have a rising wedge over here, right? So what I can do is I could just drag this up over there. I'm gonna make this Maybe let's change the colors. Let's make this yellow. Yeah, so just by looking at wait, let's try to find the support. Are we trading at support level? I mean, sorry, resistance level? Yes, we are. So I'm just gonna get another red triangle over here. I'm gonna draw this. Okay, let's make it red. Okay, so right now we are. Let's make this wing. Yeah, so right now we are at a resistance level. We are also on a falling wedge and the inverted falling wedge. So most likely this BTC DOM is showing good signs that it can likely drop to 1200, right? So let's quickly take a look with the indicators. So right now we are trading above all sorts of moving average. If you look at the RSI is pointing towards more towards buy. Uh, the Bollinger Band strategy and the Fisher is I mean, you really can't get any signals through it right now. Let's get into the lower time frame. Very neutral. Yeah, so I think we are trading on the lower band of the falling wedge. So either we could drop or retrace one more time upwards and then drop. So let's make the prediction on Bitcoin, right? So we go back to Bitcoin. Let's go back to 4 hours. Let's zoom out. Let's turn off all the indicators. Let's try one final thing. Let's draw a fib. Yeah, so this, I mean, we have the 0.764, which is also a weak support level, bouncing up on fib right now. On the present support level, we do have the 0.618 zone as well. Yeah, so what do I think on fib? I'm gonna remove the fib right now. Sorry, what do I think on Bitcoin? I'm gonna make my prediction. So, hey, where's my brush? Okay, there you go. So, yeah. So I think scenario one, I mean, you might have seen me doing two kinds of scenarios these days, but then they are not short and long. It's always going to be one direction, but then the price needs to have a little bit of a volatility laddering because that's how it is. So what do I think on Bitcoin? So either we do this, we reach 40,000, we reach do this. Scenario number two. Scenario number two is we reach 38,000 and this. So that's my prediction for Bitcoin, guys. I did explain why and why. See you guys in the next video. Most likely I'll try to do daily videos. Been busy. Yeah. Have a nice day. Make some money on this. See you guys.